guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana and you can call me Stacks. Today I'm going to be doing my 2-month lock update and I'll be giving you guys the ins and outs of what I've been experiencing, showing you guys different things about my hair, and yeah, that's about it. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have to talk about, stay tuned. Sorry if you hear this noise in the background, it's the fan. It's kind of hot. And I have the space heater on and it's kind of cold, so I have the fan on. Don't judge me, judge yourself. But people and their commentary on my locks, like some comments are good and some comments are bad. Like I have one friend, she's like, "Oh, you have locks. Like they're locked. They're almost completely 100% locked at this point." So that's a plus. And then I also have the comments like, "Oh, you look like a little boy. Oh, you look like this and you look like that and you look like this and blah blah blah." And no one's comments matter but mine. And believe me, I have my days where I'm like, ew, I don't like my hair, I wish it was longer. But at the end of the day, I don't really dislike my hair, I just don't like the length that it's at right now. So my hair is growing quite a lot, because if you can look at my roots, you wouldn't know that I have locks until you get to my buns. So my hair grows quite a lot. There are spots where I have little pieces like how this is right here that are growing, and they're trying to be their own individual locks, but they're just loose hairs that grow in between my parts because I have very, 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 very thick hair. I don't know if you guys remember what it looks like, but I'll insert in a clip right here. It's kind of big, it's very full, it's like a tree, but it definitely is growing, because this one used to sit like up here and it's really longer than that. That's another thing. Shrinkage is really deceiving, because you'll think that your hair is really short, but in actuality this comes down to the bottom of my neck, but when it's not retwisted, it's about 1 inch higher than what it really is. And not on top of that, your hair is matted right now, so your hair is really longer than what it is. It's just tangled and matted. So don't let the shrinkage discourage you. It's hard sometimes, trust me, I know. It's easier said than done, but don't let it fool you, because once you start to be able to put your hair in a bun, like my buns weren't even this big when I first started doing my buns, but now they are very, 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 very nice, and they're almost the size of what I used to be able to do with my loose hair and put them in buns. So that's progress. Another thing, color. I want to color my locks other colors. Like this is just the only color that's safe for me to do at work. Like if it was up to me, I would have green locks or like red or a bright color, because I like color. Like color is a way for me to express myself without having to say anything. It's like I can't do that, so I feel trapped at work because it's literally either natural hair color, black, blonde. You can't even have gray, which is ridiculous because gray grows out of your scalp once you reach a certain age, but you can't have gray hair. So me and this job aren't gonna last for too long, but while I'm there, I'm gonna have some blonde locks, and that's what that's gonna be. This journey is also teaching me patience, which one point I had a lot of patience in my life, but after a certain number of events, that shit flew out the window. So this is helping me learn my patience, and it's just a process. It's a learning process, it's a growing process, and once you start your lock journey, you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay. As far as retwists go, I don't retwist very often. I haven't retwist since my last video, which was last month, my 1-month update. And I'm probably not gonna retwist my hair until around the end of this month, maybe, depending on how I feel. I don't want to try to do too much to my hair. I want it to do its own thing. What are you doing, Titus? Like that this is really low maintenance, but I don't like that it's low maintenance because I'm really extra. So everything else that I've ever done to my hair has been really extra. Like my wigs, high maintenance, frontals are high maintenance hairstyle. You have to reapply them, you have to make sure they lay down, you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to do this. With this, I just get up and go and I walk out the door, and it's so simple. It saves me so much time, it saves me so much money. Like, beauty supply store trips are really cheap these days, because before I would be like, oh, I need this for my
wigs, I need this for my wigs, I need this for my wigs, I need this for my wigs, and blah blah blah.
But I would never buy stuff for like my actual hair. But now I'm racked up and stacked up on a bunch of oils and stuff, so when I go to the beauty supply store, it's like, oh, I don't need that, that's not for my actual hair. Oh, I don't need that, that's not for my actual hair. So I've been saving a lot of money by having locks. And baby, let me tell you, keep that coin in your pocket and invest in something else, okay? But I think that's all that I have to say for my 2-month lock update. I'm gonna have baby's hair on here really soon to give you guys her lock update. Thank you guys for coming back to this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new and you made it this far, hit that subscribe button. It is 100% free to join the crew. Okay. If you have locks, comment down below how far you are on your journey and your least favorite and your most favorite thing about having locks. And I will see you guys in my next video.